Wait, some Indian stocks are about to explode this winter. Today, I'm revealing the top 3 FMCG stocks to watch. What if the winter chill could actually warm up your investment portfolio? This year, it just might. A powerful La Niña weather pattern is setting the stage for a colder, longer and harsher winter across India. And when the temperature drops, consumer spending habits shift dramatically. We're not just talking about buying an extra sweater. We're talking about a massive surge in demand for specific fast-moving consumer goods. Think about it. The first sign of a cold snap sends millions of Indians rushing to stock up. This creates a predictable seasonal boom for companies that sell winter essentials. We're seeing a huge opportunity in 3 key areas. Essential winter skincare like moisturizers and cold creams. Powerful immunity boosters such as Chyawanprash and health supplements. And trusted natural remedies, including herbal formulations and pure honey. This isn't just a trend, it's a recurring, multi-billion rupee market opportunity that savvy investors are watching very closely. In this video, we'll unpack which listed companies are perfectly positioned to capitalize on this cold wave. Stay tuned as we dive into the stocks that could get a big winter boost. First up, Hindustan Unilever. With winter products making up 25% of revenue, this skincare giant is stocked and ready. Hindustan Unilever's winter engine is Vaseline, Pond's, and Lakmé, leading market shares in petroleum jelly and cold cream. Winter skincare contributes roughly a quarter of beauty and personal care revenue, with strong repeat purchases in North and West India. Watch for gross margin tailwinds if crude softens, and sustained A&P to defend share. Distribution depth, 8+ million outlets, lets Actionable push seasonal packs quickly, supporting Q3 and Q4 sell-through. Our second stock is a pure play on the winter wellness and immunity theme, Emami Limited. While Hull is a diversified giant, Emami offers a more concentrated exposure to the categories that boom when the temperature drops. Their winter portfolio is a powerhouse, contributing nearly 40 to 45% of their total domestic sales, making this season absolutely critical for the company's performance. What are we talking about? 3 iconic brands. First, the legendary Boro Plus Antiseptic Cream, a staple in millions of Indian households for combating dry winter skin. Then you have their healthcare range, led by Zandu Chyawanprash and Zandu Honey. With the seasonal spike in coughs and colds, the demand for these immunity-boosting products skyrockets. This isn't just anecdotal. Their healthcare portfolio has been growing at a robust pace, consistently delivering strong numbers. A key catalyst for Emami is its formidable distribution network, especially its deep penetration into rural and semi-urban India, where brand loyalty for products like Boro Plus is incredibly strong. As rural demand continues to show signs of recovery, Emami is perfectly positioned to capitalize. However, the biggest risk remains the competitive intensity. The Chyawanprash and honey markets are battlegrounds, with players like Dabur and Patanjali fighting for every inch of market share. This could lead to increased advertising spends and pressure on margins, something investors should keep an eye on. Third, Dabur, the Ayurvedic powerhouse. It's the world's #1 honey seller, with Chyawanprash demand surging 400% during winter. So, with all this information on Shuel, Emami, and Dabur, the critical question remains: why is the opportune moment to be looking at these winter-focused FMCG stocks? The answer lies in a powerful convergence of 3 key catalysts that create a compelling short-term investment thesis. First, the weather. Meteorologists are forecasting a strong La Niña effect this year, which historically correlates with colder, harsher winters across India. This isn't just a minor temperature dip. We're talking about a significant climatic driver that directly fuels consumer demand. Colder weather means more chapped lips, more dry skin, and a greater focus on immunity boosters. This directly translates into higher sales for products like Vaseline, Boro Plus, and Chyawanprash. The demand isn't just predicted, it's practically guaranteed by the weather forecast, creating a powerful tailwind for these companies. Second, Look at the supply chain. There's a clear signal of confidence coming from the ground up. Primary sales data, which tracks the goods sold from companies to their distributors, indicates that retailers are stocking up aggressively for the winter season. We're seeing inventory levels that are reportedly 15–20% higher than last year. This isn't a blind gamble. Distributors and retailers are on the front lines. They stock up only when they anticipate strong consumer offtake. This massive inventory buildup is a leading indicator, a strong vote of confidence in a blockbuster winter sales period. Finally, the broader economic environment is providing a supportive backdrop. Favorable government policies, including potential GST rationalizations and a festive season boost, are putting more disposable income into the hands of consumers. This increased spending power, combined with the seasonal need, creates a perfect storm for consumption. When people feel more confident about their finances, they are more willing to spend on both essential and discretionary items, including premium personal care and wellness products. These factors combined create a unique window of opportunity. The market is forward-looking, but it often waits for confirmation. The ideal entry point, from an analytical perspective, is often right now, before these catalysts translate into blowout quarterly earnings reports. Once those strong winter results are made public, this thesis will no longer be a forecast. It will be history, and the stock prices will likely have already reacted. Risks exist, like warm winters or competition. Do your own research. Like and subscribe for weekly trends, comment your top stock below, and grab my free report from the description. Bonus tip: primary sales are up 20%, signaling strong demand.